we originally started as presentations as a whole, like any presentation we could solve with this AI, and we still can. Again, there are other problems, and the main problem actually is that most of these people have PowerPoint or Google Slides for free on their computer. So why would they pay us? And it's a very, very valid reason not to pay us. So we shifted, we pivoted, if you will, focused on this group, the startup group. Great, that worked. It worked on marketing, and we had some successes there. And what's happening now is that, well, we have all these companies that are coming to us, trying to raise money. They shouldn't, but we managed to convert these companies anyway, right? They even though they shouldn't be raising money, they shouldn't be worrying about these things. They think we can help them. They're using our product. They're willing to sign up, and that's as a business, that's a powerful thing to have. That audience that you can convince to do something. It's just the thing that we're convincing them to do is something not all of them should be doing, right? So that's that's where this kind of new version of the company comes from, where we take a more holistic approach to how companies are built. We've done it ourselves. We've built a company. We raised money for it. We're still operational. We're a team of 34 people now. So we know our way around this, and we think we can help these businesses in some other ways.